Hi there, it's George here. Today I have to try to do a treatment for my plants. I have spider mites on them, some of them in back. And here we go. I try with organic insecticide, okay? And it's bio, it's oil, neem oil. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but I have to mix it with hot water and with some detergent, like you will see, and should work. This is organic and bio. Have to try on my plants, and I guess on spider mites works and kill any spider mites on plants. And let me try this experiment and see if it will help me or not. So just I have to do this treatment once in a week for 2-3 times. I will see. I don't want to lose any plant, and because that I buy this, I don't know if it will help, but I guess yes. I don't know for what reason, but at some point the microphone stopped working, and so I put this 1 liter bottle on a scale and took out the weight. Now we add the neem oil here in the bottle, and we need 5 grams. Now I will dissolve some potassium soap in water, because otherwise the neem oil will not mix with water. By the way, to mix everything in water must be quite hot water. As you can see, I dissolved a little soap in water and I will pour it into that 1 liter bottle, and in the end 5 grams per liter of water it means. Now we will mix very well, then we will fill the bottle with water and will be good to spray. I mixed it as well as I could. It won't dissolve anymore. Let's put a spray and spray my plants already. I hope it will help. As you can see here, I will spray everything, especially Mimosa pudica, bamboo, and this bamboo. It is full of that kind of spider mites, and let's try to treat those plants. We'll see how it will work for me. It's raining a little in my room, isn't it? Oh my god, but not over the socket. Has been 2 weeks after I sprayed my plants with the neem oil, and the situation is better. And after this neem oil, as you can see on the leaves, looks more and more lush leaves and not any dust. Before I used lemon juice to got lush leaves, not any dust, not any spots, but neem oil replace in my case, so I will use neem oil now. But it's kind of smell when I sprayed, after I sprayed for 1 day, kind of smell, but anyway it is not a problem because I can do refreshing, open the window and everything will be okay. Look on the coffee tree, how stunning looking, but it wasn't infected by spider mites, but you know, the bamboo was infected a lot, this one, and as you can see, situation is better. Here is lush, but here is sick yet. Well, this is before spraying anyway, but was grow this leaf, and I will see if got sick or not anyway. So was infected as well, this bamboo, Mimosa bamboo. From as I can say, it's helping, you know, that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. Hope help to your plants, infected plants, you know, or if the plants are healthy. Anyway, spray with this oil to have this lush green leaves as you can see, and everything. Look on the banana plant as well, it is lush, and today I have to spray already the third time. That's it. See you in another video of plants, and put a like, subscribe and share if you want. But look what is going outside at the moment. Catch you next time. Bye bye.